kandi mugerageze mubikore icyo mudasobanukiwe mubaze kuko uyu mugati uraryoshye uyu mugati ni you're not gonna regret if you do that. Make sure this bread you do in your kitchen and your kid can be healthy and you can be healthy too. Aho murabona ko lentils za orange nge nizo nkunda gukoresha ngiye kubakorera umugati ariko aha ubanza kuwutumbika. Hi guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you are very good. Flora Guiza, I'm back again. Hashize igihe ntabatekera, hashize igihe ntabazanira utuntu dushya, ariko uyu munsi najenje icyo mbazaniye guys nuko ngiye kubakorera umugati udafite flour. The bread without flour. Ibyo turi bukoreshe ubushize nigeze kubereka snack ya lentils, ariko tugiye gukora umugati wa lentils. Lentils ni protein ishobora gusimbuzwa inyama igihe utazifite ugafata lentils cyangwa chickpeas cyangwa se beans. Ku banyafrika bakunda beans, ni ibintu bitunga umubiri utiriwe ujya kudepansa inyama n'ibiki. Ariko kubazirya nabo ntago mbyanze, gusa flour ni nziza ku bantu bamwe ariko sina nziza ku bandi. Niyo mpamvu ngiye gukora bread muri lentils kugira ngo mbereke ukuntu umugati wa lentils ushobora kuryoha ukakuryohera ndetse ukarusha n'umugati wa flour. Ubwo tugiye gukora lentils bread. Let's go guys. Kuko hano mfite onions kuko nzikunda, ukoresha ingredient wowe ukunda, sibyo? Si ngombwa kuba wagishyiramo, ariko nge ndabereka ibyo nkunda kuba narya mu mugati wanjye. Hano mfite lentils, hano natumbitse, ubanza kuzitumbika igihe zikiri dry, ugashyiramo amazi ukamara nk'amasaha angahe zitumbitse. Ngiye namaze nk'amasaha 3 kugira ngo zorohe, noneho mbashe gukora umugati wanjye. Ubu ikintu ngiye gukora ni ukuzisya nkazivanga na ingredient zanjye nateguye kugira ngo nkore umugati nateguye. Okay guys. Hagati aho ngiye kubisya kugira ngo murebe ukuntu bikorwa, sibyo? Aka ni akamashini nge nifashisha kugira ngo nzisye, sibyo? Okay, mukurikire uko biri bugende. Nukuzishyira, I put it in this mixer kugira ngo it can help me to mix it. Wow, to be smoothie. Guys, for the people who avoid the bread, this is very, very nice to you guys. I know you will like it. Yeah. And now what I can do is to mix first, because it have to be smoothie first. After that we will do something else. You will follow how to do. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is the first to do. Ngiye gushyiramo amagi. I added eggs. I will put 3 eggs. Yeah, and this is garlic. Fresh garlic, whatever. If you have a powder too, it's okay, but me, I will put the fresh. And I cut the onions to mix, because I need that smell from onions. It depends what you need to mix with, but me, nashizemo ingredient njewe nkunda, sibyo. And I will put salt. I'm using usually this pink one because it's so healthy. Not put more salt, huh? Just a little bit. I will put those garlic pepper L kubera ko nzikunda. I will put onions powder, not too much, huh? Just to know how to manage it. You don't need to put more, no. I will show you how I'm doing. Don't want to go far. This is garlic. Yeah, but because I put garlic on the other side, I'm not gonna use more. I just need to leave this. And guys, I will put the small baking. This one, not too much, eh? Maybe let's add it. Baking. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, now I have 2 smoothie. Guys, some people using vegetable oil, cyangwa se they are using some olive oil. I'm so sorry today I don't have olive oil, but I have those vegetable oil for the salad. It's not bad too. This is what I will do. I use like small, you see, small, not too much, because I don't need more oil. It's just to baking, yeah. Yeah, this. Let's see how it looks. Still a little bit. Yeah, still a little bit to be mixed. Guys, where are you coming from? Yeah, hopefully you will like. Just I have to turn on my baking machine. Baking time o'clock. 16 until baking. Okay, baking. One eight. Yeah, 1/8 to baking. Yeah, 1/8 to baking, and I will use 45, almost 1 hour to be done with my bread. I will put here, but first I have to put oil because my bread have to leave out very good without broken. That's why you can see how I put oil around to make sure if my baking bread will be good. Okay. Now, let's see if I can do smoothie again. What I will do now is to keep it in this bowl. See how smooth are. I'll keep it here. Lentils, mbatekeye. This lentils, it's good for the people who have iron problem. Iyo nkeneye iron mbanzi ibintu ndi buzisangemo. That's why you can see ibyo mbatekera byose nifashisha ibyo nanjye mba nkeneye. Ya kugira ngo nanjye nenjoyinge hamwe namwe mubone yuko mba nabahaye umuti, sibyo? Yeah, see how it is? Yes. Now, guys, what I will do is to make sure I done. uru ni uruvange rw'ibyo nabivanzemo byose. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Now ngiye kubashyiriramo icyo bita sesame. Guys, sesame, it's the grain, the sesame seeds helping you to remind wherever you keep in your brain. Ku muntu ufite ikintu cy'ikibazo cyo kwibagirwa, sesame is good. That's why I like it. Hari igihe abadamu bagera mu gihe iyo mugeze muri cya gihe cy'amaregre cyo kujya mu mihango, baruzinga mind, ukamubaza nk'ikintu akibagirwa ibyo yavuze cyangwa ibyo yabonye. Rero iyi ngiyi ni nziza, ituma wibuka. Okay, let's put in my oven and I will come back in 45 minutes. We will be together. Okay, let's go soon. Thank you guys. Let's waiting a little bit. We will see. Guys, I think our lentils bread is done. Let's see how it looks and if it's done. Look at that, how it looks. You have to wear those gloves to not burn yourself. Let's turn off this. Okay. Yeah, this is a good moment to know what's going on. See the lentils bread. Please. Hopefully you catch what I'm taking. So nice. I'm here to share with you guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, my bread looks. Can you see here? Let's cut together and to share. You have to cut the pieces. This is very healthy, more vitamin and especially more iron, protein and more iron. If you eat one slice or two slices, guys, make sure you get your booster for your iron, okay? And with those sesame seed, make sure your brain will be good. You're not gonna be lost. Yeah, you're gonna catch well anything in your brain, because sesame give a booster to remind what you have in your brain for the people who forget always. See how it looks, guys. This is, see how it's a bread. Let's share together. Yeah, me, I like all the time the last bread, crunchy one. See, you see how it looks? Let's taste together. Really? I don't know how to say. It's so yummy. The salt is good. All ingredient I used, it's inside, and so smell very yummy and healthy. Please, guys, avoid bread. Use some protein in your kitchen to make a nice bread without flour. If you have this bread, you do diet, because bread giving more fat. And for the people who like to manage the weight like me, this is a good way. I can't stop to eat. Oh my goodness. And as I like garlic, nothing else to add it, man. Maybe next time I will do chickpeas bread. My goodness. So nice. Guys, I'm so happy to have my real bread. Even me, I can't stop to eat. Ndumva nakomeza ndya. I'm so happy. I found something I'm gonna do exchange with bread to avoid completely. This is gonna be a nice snack, a nice smell. Wow. Guys, I'm so happy. Murakoze cyane kunkurikirana kandi mugerageze mubikore, icyo mudasobanukiwe mubaze, kuko uyu mugati uraryoshye. Uyu mugati ni you're not gonna regret it if you do that. Thank you very much for the people watching on me all the world. Rwanda, Canada, America, Australia, Asia, wherever you are in the world. If I forget you, forgive me, but make sure this bread you do in your kitchen and your kid can be healthy and you can be healthy too. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, okay? This is my whole bread. And you have to keep it nicely to still be fresh and soft. Yep. See how more is.